So guys, before proceeding to the try catch, how we can handle to the exception, there is also an important concept of type conversion. What does this mean? Type conversion is like, for example, I create something for a number is equals to int, and I put some number like 30. What I'm doing, 30 is my integer, sorry, string. Okay, but what I want to convert it to the integer, I will simply put int, like I'm doing the typecasting, like meaning that string is converted into the integer, and I store it into the number, and now I can print out the number. Now 30 is not a string, 30 is our integer. Look, we got the 30 in the output. But how do we know like it's really a integer or a string value? Because whenever everything comes in the double quotation, means it's a string. So we can check this. Actually, there is a function type of number. Sorry, let me compile this. Look, we got the class int. What if I don't do the conversion here? I just declare it like this. Let's see. Now it should be string. Look, we got the class type str. Str stands for string. I hope this concept is easier to understand. If you have any query or doubt, feel free to post in the comment section. Thanks. Don't forget to hit like and subscribe button.